Keeping your home safe should be simple, reliable, and affordable. That's exactly what the PGST Home Security System is designed to offer. This complete alarm system provides 24/7 protection for houses, apartments, and offices. It includes a control panel, motion sensors, door and window sensors, remote controls, RFID cards, a siren, and an SOS panic button. Giving you full coverage right out of the box. When a sensor is triggered, the system activates a powerful 120 dB siren to scare off intruders. At the same time, you receive real-time alerts on your phone through the Smart Life or TUYA app, so you always know what's happening at home. The system supports GSM, 4G, and Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor and control your security system anytime, anywhere. Even if Wi-Fi goes down, the system continues working using a SIM card, so your home stays protected without interruption. PGST also supports over 99 sensors, making it easy to expand your system as your security needs grow. For extra safety, the alarm includes anti-tamper protection. Any forced removal triggers an instant alarm, and once the screen lock is enabled, the system can only be disarmed with the correct password. You have full control through the app to arm, disarm, or trigger alerts remotely. For hands-free convenience, the system also works with Amazon Alexa, allowing you to control your security using simple voice commands. Best of all, there are no monthly fees or contracts, making this system a cost-effective and reliable choice. If you want smart, flexible, and dependable home security without ongoing costs, the PGST Home Security System is a great solution. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability, and protect your home with confidence.